Good morning, students. Myself, Savita Alfred, welcomes you in e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Yesterday, I have taught you Chapter 2, Wild Duck. So, I would like to remind you the story. The man and his son were sitting in a small, motionless boat to hunt the wild duck. When it was getting dark, father asked the son, "Are you ready with the bullets?" Then the son replied, "Yes, I am ready." Let's read the next paragraph. Our next paragraph is: Remember, aim well ahead. You have to imagine the flight path. To be dead on is not easy, but you have to manage with just one shot. I know. Suddenly, the boy looked up. Is that them? A ribbon of black dots billowed out of the horizon. The boy was spellbound. Breath whistled out of his small round mouth. Watching birds was his passion. The explanation of this paragraph is: Then the father said, "Remember, your goal are ahead." He said to his son, "Your goal are ahead. So you have to look the path of the birds because they are moving, and to be dead on is not easy. To be dead on means hit the target perfectly." Then the father said to his son, it is not easy to hit the target perfectly, and you have to do it in one shot because the birds are moving, and if you will not shoot them in once, they will fly away after hearing the voice of the gun. Then the boy answered that I know it. Then suddenly the boy looked up and he saw a ribbon of black dots billowed out of the horizon. Billowed means uh, rose up fast and in a growing number. And horizon means a line from where the sky and land seems to meet. So he saw a growing number. In a large number, a black ribbon like dots rose up from where the land and sky seems to meet. After watching it, the boy was speechless because watching the birds was his passion was also, and the birds were in a large number, so it was looking very beautiful. So he said, "Wow," and said happily, "They must be in millions." They means wild ducks would be in millions. Next paragraph is: half the sky was covered by teal. Huge clouds of them banged one away, then another, changing the shape of the sky and blotting the light. The sky deepened, the water turned black. Small groups broke away, diving then rising in perfect formation. The explanation of this paragraph is: half then they saw half the sky was covered by teal. Here the teal means a small wild ducks. Then they saw millions of small wild ducks in the sky, and the sky is filled with ducks as the clouds of ducks. It was looking like the cloud of ducks, and they flew with one wing, then the other, when they turned and changed their shape. Because it was evening, so it was becoming dark, and they were also blocking the light. So the water also turned black, due to no light. And there was small group left behind, and they also flying up and down and making very beautiful shapes. Like sometimes they were making triangle shape, and sometimes they were making circle shape and rising up and down and making different formation. Next paragraph is, will they all land here on the lake? They look too high. I think they are aiming for somewhere else. Who decides? They know. Then they were overhead, the sky filled with masses of birds in flight, a flurry of bird calls. Father and son looked at each other. The explanation of this paragraph is, then the boy asked, after watching the wild ducks, they will land here. They means wild ducks will land here on the lake. And his father replied, they are too high, so I think they will not land here. They are going somewhere else. Then the boy asked again, who decided it? And the father said, they only know. Who should know where they will land? And I think, and then father said again, they only know where they wanted to land. Now they are just overhead, and they saw a large number of birds were flying and filled the sky in a very short time. After seeing it, the father and the son saw each other. Our next paragraph is, here goes. The man undid his safety catch and started firing, throwing buckshot at the sky. The explosions shook the boat. The lake rippled. He pumped the gun empty. Too high. They are flying much too high. The explanation of this paragraph is, here goes. The man said, here goes means an expression to show that you are about to start doing something exciting or challenging. Because they were starting to shoot the wild ducks, and he undid his safety catch. Safety catch means a small balls of gun which prevents accidental shooting. And then the man started firing and throwing buckshot. Buckshot means many small balls of metals fired from a shotgun at the sky. He threw many small balls of metals from his shotgun, and because of firing, the boat was shaking, and they felt a wave in the lake also. And he pumped the gun empty, means shot until all the bullets had been used up. He had used all his bullets, but he was not able to shoot any wild duck. So he said, they are too high. The man said, they are too high, and they are flying too much high, because he was not able to shoot any wild duck. So he said, they are flying too much high. So students, I have taught you these paragraphs today, and I hope you have understood these paragraphs and enjoying the reading. Rest of paragraph I will teach you in my next video. Thank you.